In this quick tip, we're going to take a look at the path effects in Illustrator. So imagine you have some paths, and these are currently open paths that have fat strokes applied. And these paths have names. And now you need to expand the strokes and keep the names, obviously. Let's go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. And you see the stroke is now outlined, but the name has not been kept. It's a compound path. Illustrator renames it. And that's not desirable because you have named it already and you don't want to change it. So let's undo that. There's a different way to get outline stroke applied, and this is via Effect, Path, Outline Stroke. Now, this is just an effect, so the stroke actually is not outlined. In order to get the actual outline on the artboard, what you need to do is expand appearance. So let's first take a look at the name of that path, and it's still the name I've given it. So let's go to Object, Expand Appearance to finally get that shape. And you see it got expanded and the name is still there. Great. That's what we wanted. Now, these are two functions in contrast to just one when you go to Object, Path, Outline, Path. So how can we streamline that? And that's possible via actions. So let's go to Window Actions. And in here, we're going to create a new set and then record this action. So I'm going to create the new action. And you see, you can apply a function key to it. So to have a shortcut, and I'm not going to name it. So just record. And then what we're going to do, selecting this via just clicking on it, does not get recorded, but Effect, Path, Outline Stroke, and you see it did get recorded here, but we can go to here and insert menu item. So let's go to Effect, Path, Outline Stroke. Okay, and there it is. And then next step, we are going to Object, Expand Appearance, and again, it didn't get recorded. So let's go to the menu, insert menu item, and go to Object, Expand Appearance, like so, and there it got recorded. Great, we can now stop this here, and let's try it out with this one. Go to the action. Of course, you would use the shortcut. Let's just run it. And there we've got it. Awesome. So the same technique can be useful when you want to offset the path. So let's zoom into this. And in order to offset this, you have to go to Object, Path, Offset Path. And you see, this makes a copy. So that's not desirable. But again, Effect, Path, Offset Path doesn't make a copy. Again, you have to go to Object, Expand Appearance, and no copy. And the same thing, you can record it as an action, and then it will be applied as streamlined as the previous one. So there you have a way to achieve some stuff that you can't achieve in the direct way, but some thinking and some recording, and then it will work.